how to connect your Onchain to OKX wallet. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to connect your Onchain to OKX wallet. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is download the OKX wallet to your smartphone if you don't already have it. After that, add Onchain to your network, create a new wallet or import an existing one, and then sign in. Over here, tap on register and let it load. If you're already logged into your Onchain account, it will automatically open a page where you can click on connect wallet. Then connect to the Ethereum network. After that, send the registration message. Over here, click on confirm and then input your on-chain account password. Once that's done, you'll see a confirmation that your wallet is successfully registered for the on-chain token claim. Then go back to your Telegram or any other app, and when you reopen your on-chain app, you'll see that your wallet is registered for the airdrop. So that's how you can connect your on-chain to OKX wallet. That's all for this video.